Everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, let's see how to hand over assigned tasks to an employee once an employee decides to resign. So, in a company, the employees will be assigned with multiple tasks or they'll be having different designations. So, once an employee decides to resign, all those tasks and designations has to be handed over to another employee so that all the operations in the company run smoothly. So let's see how we can do that in Horilla. So let's go to the offboarding, and under the offboarding we have the exit process. So here we can see different stages of the offboarding exit process like notice period, exit interview, work handover, etc. And we can see different employees in each stages. So for Andrew Hayes, let's see in the actions we have different actions that can be performed like send mail, notes, edit, show managing records, delete, etc. So in the show managing records, we'll be able to view the different designations that has been set for this employee Andrew Hayes. We can see that he has been assigned as a reporting manager and he has been assigned as a recruiting manager also. So since he is resigning, these designations has to be given to some other employee so that all these operations run smoothly. So from here we can set the replace. We have the field replace employee from where we will be able to add an employee so that he can manage this from now on. So let's select an employee from here. So like this, I'm setting the reporting manager as Agent Murphy, and I'm setting the recruitment manager as Alexander Smith. So from here, we'll be able to replace the employee so that no operations are stuck or anything since this employee is resigning. So like this, we can replace the employee, and I'm going to submit this. So we can see that the designation changed. So, like this, we'll be able to hand over the assigned designations and tasks to another employee. So, hope it is clear and thank you for watching.